Hey, if you're anything like me and prefer launching Genshin Impact from Steam instead of its regular launcher, I've got you covered. In this short video, I'll show you how you can add Genshin Impact to your Steam library. So let's get going. First, open up Steam, then switch to the Library tab. Now click on Add a Game. Next, click on Add a non-Steam game. After that, this window will pop up. Now click on Browse. Now navigate to where you have installed Genshin Impact and open up the Genshin Impact game folder. Then double-click on Genshin Impact from this folder. After that, click on Add Selected Programs, and Genshin Impact will be added to your Steam library. Now to change the background, right-click on this black area and click on Set Custom Background. Next, pick any image you like. You can also change the name if you want. To do this, just click on the settings icon here and select Properties. Then change the name to your liking. Now to launch Genshin Impact from here, just hit the play button and Genshin should fire up without any issue. So that's it. That's how you add Genshin Impact to your Steam library. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more Genshin Impact tips and tricks, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.